Hi everybody, कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you are doing great. In today's video, let's practice our English together, okay? Because as you know, the more you practice, the better you become at this language, okay? So let's practice together today, okay? So the first topic would be way out of my budget. When will you use this sentence? See, when you go for shopping, you choose something, but suddenly you see, oh my god, I don't have money and I'm running short of my money. So how can I buy this one? Right? So that's when you could say, oh my god, so ये तो मेरे बजट से बहुत बाहर है. ये तो मेरे बजट से बहुत बाहर है. At that time, you can use this sentence such as, this is way out of my budget. And what's more, you can use in a different way as well. You can change in it could be was, it could be will be. So it is up to you how you use this sentence. Only one sentence you can use in different context. Okay, so अगर आप ऐसे यूज करते हो so बहुत ही आसान होने वाली है और आपको ऐसे ही यूज करना चाहिए. Okay, so let's see the second sentence now. The second sentence would be, ये आपकी बजट से बाहर हो जाएगी. Okay, you could say this will be way out of your budget. Okay, in the place of your my, you can change. Sometimes it could be his, sometimes it could be my, sometimes it could be our. Okay, so it is going to be changed. All right. The next topic would be tied up with. Tied up with, what does it mean? When will you use this one? Of course, this is so easy. You can use when you are communicating, such as sometimes you have to say something like this. मैं मीटिंग में फंसा हुआ था. मैं मीटिंग में फंसा हुआ था. It means I was doing something like I was in the meeting. That's why just I could say I was tied up with meeting. मैं मीटिंग में फंसा हुआ था. I was tied up with meeting. All right. Let's see the second sentence. That would be मैं workload से फंसा हुआ था. Then I could say in English, I was tied up with workload. I was tied up with workload. Guys, practice the same sentence many times. Listen to it many times because the more you listen, the better you understand. So you have to do because everybody does something like that. Let's move on the next topic. That would be in a week or so. In a week or so, what does it mean? Sometimes in Hindi, we have to say such as एक दो हफ्ते में. Okay, एक दो दिन में, एक दो हफ्ते में. At that point of time, you can use in a week or so. Okay, so let's see some examples now. वो एक दो हफ्ते में जवाब देंगे. Okay, they will revert in a week or so. The second sentence would be मैं एक या दो हफ्ते में आपसे मिलने आऊँगा. Then I could say in English, I will come to meet you in a week or so. Again, I'm saying I'm going to be slow because you need to understand what I'm saying in English. Okay, all right. The next topic would be rashly. Rashly, which means sometimes what happens is you do something without thinking and understanding. At that time, you can use rashly. Rashly. Okay. For examples, बिना सोचे समझे कुछ मत करना. In English, you could say, don't act rashly. Don't act rashly. The second sentence would be, उसने जल्दबाजी में गलत इंसान से शादी कर ली थी. She rashly got married to the wrong person. The next topic would be in my absence. In my absence, sometimes what happens is, in Hindi, you have to say, मेरे गैर मौजूदगी में. Okay? In the place of my, you can change. Sometimes it could be your, sometimes it could be his. So it is up to you what you are going to say. According to that, according to your statement, you are going to change. All right. Okay. So let's see some examples here. मेरे पीछे कोई आया था क्या? Did anybody visit in my absence? The second sentence would be, मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरे पीछे कोई आया था. It seems to me somebody came in my absence. Okay. मेरे गैर मौजूदगी में कौन आया था? Who visited in my absence? तुमने उसके गैर मौजूदगी में ये ठीक नहीं किया. You didn't do well in her absence. The next topic would be out of nowhere. Out of nowhere, which means पता नहीं कहाँ से. पता नहीं कहाँ से. For this, you can use out of nowhere, such as पता नहीं कहाँ से आ गया. He came out of nowhere. पता नहीं वो कार कहाँ से आ गई. That car came out of nowhere. All right? Worn out. This one is so easy. Worn out. How do you use this one? Sometimes you can say मेरी चप्पल घिस गई है. मेरी चप्पल घिस गई है. That's when you can use worn out. My slippers are worn out. मेरे जूते घिस गई है. My shoes are worn out. My shoes are worn out. The next topic is going to be no time to argue. No time to argue. It's so simple to use. Let's see. Sometimes you can say in such a way, मेरे पास आपके साथ झक मारने की टाइम नहीं था. मतलब तुमसे ऐसी कुछ भी कहते हैं ना बड़बड़ करना, कुछ भी करने का टाइम नहीं था. You can say, I had no time to argue with you. I had no time to argue with you. The second sentence would be, क्या मेरे पास उसके साथ झक मारने का समय था? Simple. Did I have any time to argue with him? Did I have any time to argue with him? The next topic is going to be don't suppose. Don't suppose. Let's see in sentence. Such as if you say, मुझे नहीं लगता कि तुम उसे जानते हो. मुझे नहीं लगता कि तुम उसे जानते हो. Okay, you can say, I don't suppose you know him. I don't suppose you know him. The second sentence would be, मुझे नहीं लगता कि तुम पार्टी में जाओगे. I don't suppose you would attend the party. I don't suppose you would attend the party. It's so simple, but you have to use in different context. Again, I'm saying, practice makes a man perfect. The more you practice, the better you become. The next topic would be happen to know. Happen to know, what does it mean and how will you use this one while communicating with anybody. Okay, sometimes there will be a situation where you will be using this one, such as क्या आपको पता होगा यशी कहाँ होगी. मतलब कि आपको ही पता नहीं, आप एक चांस की बात करते हैं. Okay, at that point of time you can use happen to know. Happen to know. All right, let's see some examples here. क्या आपको पता होगा यशी कहाँ होगी. Would you happen to know where would Yashi be? Would you happen to know where would Yashi be? क्या आपको पता है उसे जॉब मिल गई है? Do you happen to know she have got a job? Do you happen to know she have got a job? The next topic would be at the most. At the most, what does it mean? It's simple. Sometimes you will say ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. That's when you have to use at the most. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. Okay, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तुम मेरे से बात करना बंद कर दोगे. और क्या कर सकते हो? You will stop talking to me at the most. What else can you do? What else can you do? The second sentence would be using at the most. That is, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तुम मेरा फ़ायदा उठा लोगे, है ना? You will take advantage of me at the most, right? Next one is, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तुम मेरा पढ़ाई बंद करवा दोगे, लेकिन मैं कहीं और नामांकन करवा लूँगा. You will get my study stopped at the most, but I will enroll elsewhere. I will enroll elsewhere. The next topic would be align with. Align with, which means मेल खाना, एक जैसा होना. Okay? Sometimes you will get some situations such as हमारे विचार आपके सिद्धांतों के साथ मेल खाते हैं. Okay, that's when you have to use using align with. You could say our ideas align with your principles. Our ideas align with your principles. Okay, it's so simple, but use it. The next sentence would be मेरी रणनीति सहमत है. मेरी रणनीति सहमत है आपके सोच के साथ. My strategy aligns with your thinking. My strategy aligns with your thinking. मेरे विचार आपके विचारों के साथ मेल खाते हैं. My thoughts align with yours. My thoughts align with yours. The next topic would be subject, can't, verb की first form plus object, even if subject plus want to. बहुत ही सिंपल है, इसे भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. What happens is, sometimes you have to say something like that, such as मैं चाह कर भी तुम्हें छोड़ नहीं सकता. चाह कर भी. At that place, you can use even if I want. मतलब चाह कर भी. Okay, I can't let you go even if I want to. I can't let you go even by wishing, ये भी कह सकते हैं. All right. The third one is I can't leave you even by wishing. Okay. So these are so simple. You have to use and you have to communicate. Okay. No need to worry about this as well. मैं उस लड़की को चाह कर भी भूल नहीं सकता. काफ़ी सारी यादें रही हैं. I can't forget her even if I want to. There have been enough memories. Next one is the same. Yes, I just taught you the first one, but in past you can use couldn't, and in the place of want you can use wanted to. Okay, let's see some examples here as well. मैं चाह कर भी उसके बिना रह नहीं सका, रह नहीं पाया. I couldn't live without her even if I wanted to. It could be like this as well. I couldn't live without her even by wishing. Okay, all right. The next structure would be subject, verb की second form plus object in the hoop of verb में ing plus noun, but subject couldn't verb की first form. Let's see some examples here. मैं वहाँ नेहा से मिलने की उम्मीद में गया था लेकिन मिल नहीं सका. I went there in the hope of meeting Neha but couldn't meet her. वह वहाँ मैच खेलने की उम्मीद से गया लेकिन नहीं खेल सका. He went there in the hope of playing a match but couldn't play. The next topic would be subject plus helping verb plus likely to be verb की third form. Okay, likely to be verb की third form. It first of all, let me tell you, this is a passive. Okay, this is not an active sentence. Okay, all right. So likely which means संभावना. Okay, संभावना है. Okay, in present था past में. All right. For example, if you say something like this, such as यह फोन बिकने की संभावना है. यह फोन बिकने की संभावना है. You could say this phone is likely to be sold. This phone is likely to be sold. The second sentence would be संभावना है कि तुम्हें promotion मिले. Nobody knows who are going to promote you, but I'm just saying संभावना है कि तुम्हें promotion हो. मतलब ये पैसे में कौन करेगा doesn't matter, but तुम्हें होने वाली है. ओके, तुम्हें होना है प्रमोशन. तो कह सकता हूँ यू आर लाइकली टू बी प्रमोटेड. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वुड बी इट इज़ न्यू टू मी. इट इज़ न्यू टू मी विच मीन्स यह मेरे लिए नई बात है. ओके, इन द प्लेस ऑफ मी यू कैन चेंज बाय पुटिंग हिम, मी, अस. ओके, like this you can change, and you can change the scenario, you can change the sentence, you can change the statement. It is up to you. All right, let's see some examples here as well. यह मेरे लिए नई बात है इसलिए मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा. It is new to me, that's why I did not say. यह उसके लिए नई बात थी तो उसने जाने दिया. It was new to her, so she let go. Let go. All right. The next topic would be grateful that. Be grateful that, which means in Hindi it would be shukr manao. Shukr manao, and then you have to write the second sentence as well. When you are speaking, you can speak as well. Okay, all right. Let's see some examples here as well, man. शुक्र मनाओ वो जा रहे हैं. शुक्र मनाओ वो जा रहे हैं. Be grateful that they are going. शुक्र मनाओ हमें कुछ नहीं हुआ. Be grateful that nothing happened to us. Be grateful that nothing happened to us. शुक्र मनाओ मैं तुम्हें कुछ बोलता नहीं. Be grateful that I don't say anything to you. शुक्र मनाओ उसने तुम्हें मारा नहीं. Be grateful that he didn't beat you. The next one would be शुक्र मनाओ हम टाइम पर पहुंच गए. This one you have to comment. When you comment, I'm going to check your comment whether you're right or wrong. Okay, I'm 100% sure I'm going to check your comment. Okay, so this one, only this one you have to comment. Apart from this, I would recommend you, I would suggest you what? Nothing. Just I want you to like this video. I want you to share this video, because if you share this video, this motivates me. Okay, and I'll continue making such videos for you guys. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए.